So firstly, I have my peas in the pressure cooker. Now I gave my peas a nice wash and then I added it to the pressure cooker. I also added some water just to cover the level of the peas. I added some garlic cloves and a little salt, and now I allowed it to come up to a boil. After it come up to a boil, I added some water just to sink the peas. In Jamaica, we say we sink the peas just for the peas to cook evenly. Now I have my dry coconut in the bowl. I cut it into some pieces, and I also have my blender with some water. Now I added maybe about 1.5 cups of water. Now I'm gonna add my coconut. If you like, guys, you could always grate your coconut, but for me, I don't want to grate it because it takes too long. So I'm gonna blend mine. So I'm gonna blend off camera. I'm gonna strain it, and then I'm gonna return, and I'm gonna show you the next step. Now my peas is fully pressured. It took maybe about 20 minutes in total. So I'm gonna add my extracted coconut milk. Now to the pot I added 3 cups of coconut milk. So now I am adding my fresh seasoning, some scallion and some thyme. Now I'm also gonna add some more garlic cloves, and I'm gonna add my scotch bonnet pepper. Now I don't like to add powder seasoning to my rice and peas, but if you like, you could always go ahead. I only add salt and sometimes I add black pepper. Alright, so whichever way, it's optional. You just add what you like. Alright, now I'm gonna allow it to come up to a rapid boil, and then I return. Alright, so I let my coconut mixture boil for maybe about 10 minutes just to bring all of those flavors together. So now I'm adding my nicely washed rice. Now the amount of liquid varies. It all depends on the type of rice that you're cooking and also how fast the rice cooks. Alright, so because I'm using white rice, so white rice takes less liquid than parboiled rice or brown rice. Alright, so you want to ensure that when you add the fork into the pot, it is like 1 or 1.5 inches above the rice. Alright, so after testing the level of the rice, you want to cover the pot, allow it to steam for maybe about 25 minutes in total, and then I return. Alright, now this is how the rice looks after 25 minutes. It's fully steamed, so I'm gonna remove all of that natural seasoning, and then I am going to fluff up the rice, and that would be the end of my rice and peas video, guys. Now, even though it's a short video, I hope it was useful and I hope you had a full understanding. And I want to say thank you for watching, and if you enjoy the content, don't forget to give it a like and share. And if you're interested in more contents, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification that says all, so you'll be notified each time I post new videos.